Just a second, baby. I will.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. I want a bracelet hand, Mom.
What's a bracelet hand?
What?
What's a bracelet hand?
Like how you did a lot of bracelets on a hand.
Oh, the way Lily has it?
Yeah.
Lily's got lots of bracelets on her hand, huh? Maybe you can ask Georgia to make you some bracelets.
Oh my. Down we're up.
Bless you.
Oh, they go so nice. Mom!
Yes.
You're digging for a phone.
To read to you?
Yes.
You'd like me to read to you now?
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to read?
This.
What book is that?
This.
Mice Twice?
Yeah.
Okay.
What does this say?
It says Mice Twice.
Mice toys.
Mm-hmm.
Mice toys.
Baby Josta, are you ready for story time?
Mice toys.
Are you ready for stories? Yeah. Can you give me a little smile? Can you give me a little smile? Yeah. I know you can.
You did.
I know you got one in there.
You didn't make smile, you know?
Baby Josta, how old is Baby Josta?
1.
Almost 1 month.
How much?
In a few days she will be 1 month old.
How much?
She is 3.5 weeks old.
Then she needs to be that